हाय सर, ऐश्वर्या पालीवाल फ्रॉम इंडिया टुडे एंड आज तक। सर, फ्रीबीज जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ती जा रही हैं। हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी कोई ना कोई रोज़ आके एक नया फ्रीबी की बात करती है। क्या आपको लगता है कि लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड नहीं बनता फ्रीबीज से, और क्या आप कोई कदम उठाएंगे फ्रीबीज को कर्ब करने के लिए?
Freebies again is a matter which is sub judice. Therefore, we are not speaking on this. But since you asked about the reforms, I'll tell you the existing legal framework on what is in place and what can be done and what should be done. It is a settled law today in the Subramaniam Balaji versus State of Tamil Nadu that freebies are not disallowed. This is the apex court's order in Subramaniam Balaji. वहाँ फ्रीबीज का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन था, कोर्ट ने पाया 3 मेंबर डिवीजन बेंच थी शायद कि वी कैन नॉट स्टॉप इट। तो हमारे हाथ अभी बंधे हुए हैं, कोर्ट में मैटर अभी सब जुडिस है। वैसे भी ये इकोनॉमिक्स का विषय है कि what is freebie for me is an entitlement for somebody else. So it's very, very thin line between what I call a freebie and somebody else claims it as an entitlement. Therefore, in an immediate run, which we attempted, we brought out a pro forma, we circulated it to political parties. It must immediately be put to use and to the public disclosure that जो भी इलेक्शन में, हम फ्रीबी नहीं बोल रहे हैं, इलेक्शन मैनिफेस्टो का एक डिक्लेरेशन बोल रहे हैं। बिकॉज क्या फ्रीबी है तो कभी डिफाइन हो ही नहीं सकता। इट वुड बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डिफाइन व्हाट ए फ्रीबी इज। द ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ऑल्सो लास्ट टाइम व्हेन हियरिंग वाज said that we will appoint an expert committee to decide on this, but whenever that happens, it would be extremely difficult to define freebie. So what is necessary? The necessary is that the fiscal health of the state must be known to the public. What is debt to GDP or GSDP ratio of that state? What is how much interest you will pay on that promise, how much you will borrow? Interest payment to total revenue receipts, what is your ratio? Then there are FRBM targets. How much you can borrow? What is your fiscal state? How much is the financial cost of this promise? बहुत सारी स्टेट्स से मैं नाम नहीं ले सकता जिन्होंने इतनी कमिटेड लायबिलिटीज क्रिएट कर दी हैं कि उनको सैलरी देना मुश्किल है। If you read the state of finances report of the RBI, we cannot mortgage the future of the future generations. It is a very, very serious issue. We have attempted it. We have issued our performance on our website. This is high time that it must be accepted and legal answer to this must be found. But our hands are tied at this moment because matter is sub judice.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.